y'all? Fresh off the last unboxing, I talked to you guys about the ISPAs. I talked about how similar they are to ACGs. So I thought, why not bring you a pair of ACGs in today? Today we have a ACG's boots. These are the black midnight turquoise Arctic colorway. I actually went to New York this weekend. Well, last weekend I went to New York actually and tested these out. And I'll be honest, these are persuading me to get back into wearing boots. I haven't worn boots since like maybe 5th grade. I think back when I didn't have no money. But these right here are like the closest thing to an actual pair of shoes that you can get. These are comfortable. I do recommend getting a half a size up, if not a size up. For starters, first thing we got right here is the rubber right here. This whole bottom midsole is rubber. There's like hard rubber, then there's soft rubber. It even says it on here on the actual sole of the shoe. So I don't know if you guys can see this. It says 068 hard rubber. I'm not sure what the 068 means. And then there's also 004 sticky rubber, which I imagine is this part right here. This is where all the traction is. Fortunately and unfortunately, it wasn't snowing in New York, but there was ice down on the ground. You'll see in the other video. Pretty good grip with these. Pretty good traction. I like these shoes, these boots, because these remind me of shoes, the way they fit. It's a snug fit. Nike actually says these are a jacket for your feet. And first I was like, okay. But actually after wearing these, you understand why they say that. Right here we have the Gore-Tex, which is the waterproof / water resistant. I'm not sure if you can fully submerge your feet in these. We haven't tried that. But if you stay tuned, we actually might put that in the video. Then you have the ACG, the strap right here. And then in the back, you have all the extra, you see the air right here, let you know it's the air bubble. There's a lot of detail into this shoe. I went with the all black colorway simply because I like all black shoes. There were 2 other colorways. One is a white and then one is an olive green. Just a matter of personal preference, whichever one you go with. I think the white will look pretty clean if you're doing like a photo shoot or something. But I don't know how the longevity of the white, how that will last. The olive green was sold out at the time I got these. And these actually just restocked. So I would definitely get these if you can get a pair. These are $220. Definitely worth to buy. ACG, tested in Oregon. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright, so I really just want to show y'all why it is important to read, why reading is fundamental. These shoes, this is why I don't recommend going true to size, simply because you have to get past this little section right here. Or if the house is on fire, or I don't know, you do not make it out. One hour later.
Bro, what are you doing?
Lock the door. I'll go back. Bro, take this 30 seconds off, bro. Take this